Good morning, guys. So today is another day. It's Wednesday, a day closer to the weekend, and today's gonna be a really good day. I'm gonna start off with my coffee of the day, and from there, well, actually, I'm gonna start off with the little concoction that I make. It's water mixed with half a lemon, my bad, and what's it called? Apple cider vinegar. So it's the worst taste in the whole world, but it's good for you. And I don't do it every day. I do it like, I want to say like sometimes twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week, just because it's bad for your teeth, it's bad for your enamel, and I try to just keep it to a minimum. So sorry you guys have to see this right now. It's in the morning, and you know what, this is when I started vlogging, or when I decided to not constantly vlog but vlog every other day, I knew that you guys were gonna have to see me without makeup, and I mean that's totally fine. I'm at a point in my life where I really just don't care, and I'm sorry you guys have to see me like this. But you won't see me like this for long because I will be touching up, you know. It's not like I'm gonna completely be like full on bare and whatever, but I will touch up in a little bit once I put this little girl down for a nap. But yeah, so excuse this face for the moment. But okay, so first coffee of the day, and this little girl, she needs to go down for a nap. Hey, why are you crying? Huh? Hey, why are you crying? Why? Oh, poor baby. Poor baby. Poor baby. I know, I broke it. I accidentally broke it, bud. If you guys don't know, Pippa is his grandpa, my dad. He fixes everything, so Matthew's like, he can fix it. Right, baby? Yeah. So I just got done getting ready, and it's a little too much, but it's because I have like a little picture or like shoot I need to do for a company campaign or whatever, and so I needed to look a little bit extra because I don't know, plus I just, it's good to just, I don't know, put makeup on if you feel comfortable. I don't know. Juliet is still awake. Yeah, she's still awake. Juliet is still asleep. It's 1:22. It's been like roughly an hour and a half. I'm thinking about making my second cup of coffee of the day, but I don't know. That's too much coffee for me. And then I'm gonna go visit my parents later today, and I'm gonna want more coffee on the way there. So maybe not a good idea, but I really need coffee. I'm gonna make turkey stuffed bell peppers. If you guys don't know, if you haven't seen, or yeah, if you haven't seen any of my like past videos, I talked about how I'm on like this diet journey. It's more like a nutrition, it's more of like nutrition more than anything. I'm trying to get myself back on track, and with that comes eating healthy, and that's what I've been trying to do, or trying to stick to, which I mean I've pretty much stuck to it, except for like this past weekend my husband and I went on a date, and our first date ever after like Juliet being born, and she's already like 6 months, so we went overboard and like pretty much ordered almost everything on the menu. Really bad, but yeah, besides that, I've been eating really good. If you guys are interested in what I eat, in the morning I'll usually have egg whites with spinach and or mushrooms, or sometimes just all of them mixed together. I will top it off with nutritional yeast and top it, and what are those, like onion and like that little yellow onion. I don't know what it's called. I'm losing my train of thought right now, but that and or I'll just have like just egg white, normal egg white with like, of course, the salt and pepper because I do not like egg at all. Like I just don't like egg. But if you want to have this is what I'm getting used to now. I'm slowly starting to like it, so yeah, but still adding my pepper and salt in there. I don't know why I keep touching my shirt, but yeah, so that's what I've been eating in the morning. Afternoon, I'll have like a snack, maybe a salad. Most of the time I'll have a salad. And then no, on the salad it's just a salad. I won't add like any I usually won't add chicken or anything unless like I'm having a salad for dinner, then I'll add a chicken or grilled chicken or whatever. And then for lunch or for dinner I'll have a pretty basic like healthy meal. Like right now it's turkey. Instead of the bell peppers filled with like meat, I replace the red meat with turkey and ground turkey, and of course it's all organic. I try to stick to organic food, even though it's more on like the pricier side, but I mean it's totally worth it because it's like your health, your nutrition, and it's what you're putting in your body. So yeah, also yesterday what I got in the mail, I wanted to show you guys really quick what I got in the mail yesterday. My hair is like all over the place. I wanted to show you guys what I got in the mail yesterday. Pretty much I ran across this company. It's called Yumi, and it's a baby food. It's all based on baby food or whatever. And I but I ordered from them. So this isn't like paid, this isn't sponsored, this isn't like a campaign or whatever. This is what I bought. But I bought from them and I wanted to try it out because what I was telling my Snapchat viewers is that if you don't follow me on Snapchat, it's Lisandra's7Torres. I usually include it in the beginning of the video, so make sure to follow me on there because I post on there more than any other social media platform. Anyways, shameless plug, but I talked about on there when I got it yesterday that I try to feed my daughter the best. With Matthew I did too, but with Matthew, like back then there wasn't like so many options to choose from. And now, like, with social media and everything, like, there's more, like, I don't know, there's just more out there. And so, before ordering this, I was giving Juliet breech nut organics. It was the pure organics one. I know they have, like, an organic one, but they have, like, a pure organic one. And it's, like, a yellow, like, off yellowish top. So I was giving her that, and it's from Target if y'all are wondering. But I wanted to, I did some research, and after I came across this, I did some research, and most of the time, like, you don't even know what they're putting in the baby food, or like why, if it's organic or whatever. I know they include like more stuff to it to make it last longer, but like this company says, if it were to be like healthy enough or whatever, they wouldn't it wouldn't have like a what's it called, like a lifelong shelf life or something, like, I don't know, something like that. But yeah, and so it made sense to me in a way. And I don't know, this company, once you order from them, and it's like a weekly thing, like they'll send out weekly food. So for this company, you keep it in the fridge, so that's how you also know it's like good. And usually with the breech nut, if I were to open it and she weren't to finish it, I think you could put it back in the fridge for like 3 more days and you would be good to like go to feed her again. That, but with this one, once you open it, you have 24 hours to like give this to your little one, or else it'll go bad. So I mean, that's how much of a difference, you know, it is. But this is the company, or this is the puree I got. They also have, why is this one looking like that? See, like, you could just tell these were like freshly made. So So sorry about that. I did faux freckles, and so that's why I have that on there. So I got spinach. Focus. So I got spinach. There's ratatouille. There's pumpkin pie, and there's, what is this? Mukugwan soup. I don't know. I think it's like a Chinese. I don't know. Hold on. It has carrots, coconuts, milk, ginger powder, curry powder, turmeric, apple, chickpeas, and lentils. So I mean, it's all healthy for your baby. And they do have like certain stages where you can choose from. Like my kid, she's in the second stage, third stage almost, but and then this is the other one. I gave her a split pea yesterday and she finished it this morning for breakfast, but I got peach, papaya, split pea, and this is purple sweet potato. So yeah, I mean, I personally like tasting my baby's food. So with the other one, with the beech nut, I tasted it and it was sweet. I think they must have added sugars to it, I'm not sure. But with this one, you can just taste the pure food, like the pure, like puree food. Like it doesn't have any like salt added to it, or like, well, it probably has salt, I'm not sure, but it doesn't have any sweets added to it or extra sweets that, you know, you wouldn't want your baby to consume or whatever. But I don't know. And I will have the company linked down below in case you guys are interested. Like I said, this isn't sponsored. This isn't like, it's not like they're paying me to review it. This is something that I bought out of my pocket, and I don't know, just trying to inform you guys about it, and I don't know about the different choices I have for like as far as baby formula and stuff like that, because a lot of my mom friends that I have on my Snapchat didn't know, and they DM me, they're like, what is that, like what is it? But yeah, but yeah, that's just something to keep in mind. Okay, so guess who is finally up? I'm her longest nap ever. Well, not ever, but one of her longest naps. Okay, y'all, so we're about to head out. Juliet's being a little fussy. Okay. But yeah, so let me make sure all the doors are locked before we go. I have this like thing where I just have to check everything before we go. You made that shirt stink so I wouldn't use it anymore, huh? Didn't you? You stink that shirt up so I wouldn't use it anymore. It smells like your sweat. Anyways, guys, we're about to head out. That's his wallet. Yeah, guys, so
hello. Oh my god. ¿Dónde está tu abuelita? You should call her because that might be a nice.
I don't. My phone is dead, babe. How the fuck am I gonna call them?
If they're not there, I'm still drop you off there.
Okay, well let me see your phone. A ver. ¿Están ahí en la casa? Ok. No, porque mi mamá me dijo que iban a pasar por mi amiga hoy, pero no me dijo que si iban a estar ahí en la casa o no. Oh my god. Anyways. It's my vlog, yeah. I'm recording for my vlog. That's gonna be up tomorrow. This is when, you know, you want to give yourself a shout out?
I don't got a YouTube yet. Just to...
Oh, yeah, I forgot. So we got... ¿Por qué están callados? ¿Por qué se callaron? So I got my grandma, my mom, and my dad and Matthew, and my brother. My ugly ass brother. I'm just kidding. He cute. Or whatever. Whatever. We're just chilling out here. My dad did a little cookout. And we're just chilling.